Hello. Now, this is the section on the company background and the officers behind Revoobit Philippines or Revoobit Malaysia. We are based here in Tuguegarao City. We are the regional office for Cordillera Administrative Region, the Region 1, that is the Ilocos region, and Region 2, which is the Cagayan Valley region. So this section will be explaining to you the milestones, the achievement of the company, and at the same time, the ambitions of the company from 2024, which is this year, up to 2028. So the company is expanding its global markets. It is also expanding its number of products. So as we do this business, so I'm going to share this video with our distributors here in Cagayan and elsewhere. And this will be a continuous basis. So as soon as we get updates, I'll be sharing to you some videos about the company. So enjoy. The name of the company is Revoobit Philippines. Be part of the world revolution. Now, the business was founded by this person. He is Malaysian. Medyo mahaba lang yung pangalan niya, so it's quite difficult to pronounce his name. So way back in 2019, he started Revoobit after a series of brainstorming with his current CEO right now. So they thought of launching 500 boxes in the market, and they decided to go to the African region as their first market. Not knowing at the same time that by 2020 of March, the borders will be closed. Everybody will be working from home. Nagkaroon tayo ng forced lockdown. He did not anticipate that. But despite that scenario, um, it was proven that direct selling can be done online and not through face to face. Okay, under the founder is the group CEO. He's also Malaysian. He's worked with the founder for close to 5 years already, and he's brought his experience over in growing the business for the past 4 to 5 years. So he continues to be the group CEO, and he overlooks the operation of the global business. Then, under the group CEO, there are different chief officers. They have a corporate advisor. They also have a chief executive officer. They also have a chief operating officer. They also have another chief operating officer for logistics. They have a chief marketing officer. And of course, they also have their chief technology that takes care of their IT infrastructure. Oops, sorry. That was Carly, our dog. Sorry for the barking. Okay, on this slide, importante na maintindihan niyo lahat ito. Um, the Malaysian group or the Malaysian company, which is Revoobit, was able to establish its supply chain. So now they operate their own factory in Malaysia. They produce their products. They are compliant. They are practicing good manufacturing practices. They are ISO certified. All their products are MESTI compliant. That's why their products are all halal certified. It also goes to say that all their products are FDA approved because they comply with all the requirements when they manufacture their products. So in the process, they are now establishing a stronger logistics supply chain so that they can deliver all their products on time to their customers globally. Okay, I want all you guys to carefully look at this slide. It shows to you how far the boxes or the products of the Malaysian group has reached the global market. You will notice they have now been very active in the different nations in Africa. I lived in Africa for more than 25 years. I lived and worked in Kenya. I also lived and worked in Egypt and I also lived and worked in Madagascar. So I'm not surprised, okay, why the company made good in that part of the world. Kasi nga, sa part ng Africa, we know very well that it is a poor continent. Um, and the healthcare system of the continent is below standard. Besides that, we also know that there is still a problem with the HIV issue. So until today, the market is doing well. The company is distributing more and more products in this part of the world. Now, they also started focusing on Southeast Asia. You will see there Philippines, Papua New Guinea is there, Singapore, Indonesia, and of course, Malaysia is there. India is beginning, Bangladesh, and you will notice that the open markets as of this writing is the United Arab Emirates, and I will explain that later. And UK and the United States are virgin markets. So this gives you an overview of what is the current status of the market as far as the Malaysian. Again, on this particular slide, I'm just showing to you guys the different countries that are now actively involved with the group. There are now 322,000 at least registered members. These members are comprising users, distributors, and network builders. There are about 36 active country stockists all over these countries. Um, but again, the market is still big. You will notice here that the Middle East is not yet included, and sooner or later, by 2026, that market will open. And now this is a good opportunity for like myself or the rest of the distributors dito sa Pilipinas. Alam naman natin na maraming OFW sa Middle East. So if you start the business now, that means you have 2024, 2025 to prepare yourself, build your network of users, distributors, and networkers or builders, so that when the office in Dubai opens by 2026, you're now prepared to grow your business in that particular market. The same goes for other markets like in Europe, US, and like in the Canadian market na naumpisa na namin yan with my wife. So we are slowly but surely building that market, Canada. So tayo dito, the market is unlimited. We just have to work smartly, and I'm sure in 1 year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, and 5 years down the line, I assure you guys may resulta as long as we work on our business consistently. Okay? So lahat naman tayo hard work eh. Wala namang hanap buhay or negosyo na hindi naman hard work ang pinag-uusapan. So the same, this is just the power of leverage, no? Duplicating yourself. So this is a good opportunity, lalong-lalo na pagka maganda yung produkto. So the product will always lead the way for all of us, builders and distributors and users. Malaki ang potential. So guys, I've shown you basically uh, what the company is all about. I gave you a brief backgrounder. So I will end the session for this portion. So I hope you have learned about the company, the people behind the company, and what is the future for the company. Thank you. Hello again. Now, as you can see, I've shifted from the office to our house. So it's about 7:30 in the evening. So I'm going to close the session uh, about the company background, the officers, the plans, the milestones of the company. So uh,
I hope you have learned a lot. Then I would say I apologize for the audio or the video inconsistencies. So I'm going to improve my system in the next weeks to come. So I need you to bear with me about the quality of the video. So um, my next video will be about products. So watch for it. So I'm going to upload it in our YouTube channel. So all our customers or our distributors, I hope you learn from this. I hope this video helps you in explaining to your customer what is the company all about. Okay, thank you.